a new video. And congratulations on taking this journey into scales. It is a very, very, very cool journey, and you will enjoy every minute of it. Do not fear when people tell you that scales are boring or that scales kill your creativity. That is just ridiculous. Alright, so today's video is not for experienced players. Today's video is for people that are just getting into scales, and this is the very first scale position that everybody learns. It's part of the A minor pentatonic scale. It is position 1, and it goes like this. Here we are on the 5th fret. Here's your E, A, D, G, B, and E strings. Okay, that is the 5th fret. This first note is A. So is the one down here. So is this guy here. And you want to start with your index finger, you want to go 5. And with your pinky, go 8 on the thickest string. So that's 5, 8. And then on the A string, 5, 7. D string, 5, 7. G string, 5, 7. B string, 5, 8. And E string, 5, 8 again. That's how you do it, and there's a lot of different things you can do with this. I'm not going to get into too many licks because that's just not what this video is about. It is for the beginner, but there are several things you can do with it. One of my favorite things to do is to go backwards, and also alternate picking is definitely a very, very useful tool when it comes to this and make it sound way cooler. I use alternate picking. I can't even imagine doing it without alternate picking at this point. But since you're just starting, that's how you're going to do it. You're going to go on. That is not alternate picking. This is alternate picking. That's one of the more... one of the things you'll learn eventually is there's different notes that you can hit with it, blues notes and various notes you can hit with it to make it sound a little bit cooler than just those notes that it starts off with. And there's other ways of hitting the notes to give it a little bit of variance and maybe flavor it up a little, like. Just like that. So those are some of the ways that you can mess around with it and have fun with it, and I'm sure you will get to that point. But for now, you should just do the basics. Thank you everybody for watching my video. The first scale position that every guitarist learns. It is the position 1 of the minor pentatonic scale, and that most, if not all, guitar players, at least in my experience, I know they all learn that one first. It's the easiest one, and it teaches you how to go right up and down. So if you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when any other videos come out. And be sure to let me know in the comments below if you want me to continue this series so I can make more and go all the positions, and then I'll do the major scale and I'll do Mixolydian, and we can learn together, because I'm learning these scale positions myself, and I want to be able to solo and just be a great guitar player and just killing it like that. So let me know, and thank you for watching again, and I appreciate it. This is Michael Alder signing off. Peace.